previous classes I will discuss about payroll system and how to calculate payroll system in Tally ERP9 আমি নর্মালি দেখিয়েছিলাম। তো আজকে আমরা payroll system সম্বন্ধে আরও ডিটেলসে জানবো এবং payroll system is a software to automate the payroll process. This system can be integrated with leave and attendance tracking system and employee self-service portal and are used to keep track of employee working hours, calculate salaries, calculate taxes and deduction, and also display payroll payslip. And then open Tally ERP9. Then open Tally ERP9. Wait just a minute for open Tally, and then go to the working educational mode and press Alt F1 for create a new company, create company, and then type the company name is ABC Limited and the address is Lakshmi Kantapur and state it West Bengal. এগুলো ইনফরমেশন আমরা সবাই দিতে পারি। তো then press Ctrl A for save, and then press F11 and go to the option accounting features and then the option maintenance payroll. It will be yes. Ctrl A and then go to the option payroll information and then go to the option employee and then create. Employee name is Devdas Purkait and then the display name in a report as Devdas Purkait. Okay, under, what is under? Under is a group name যে দেবদাস পুরকাইত কোন ডিপার্টমেন্টে কাজ করে। তো দেন প্রেস Alt C and then the department name is accounts. Ctrl A and date of joining, যে ডেটে জয়েনিং করছে সেই ডেটটা এখানে তোমরা টাইপ করবে and define salary details. It will be yes, and then the option of pay head, Alt C for create and pay head. First pay head name is basic pay and this is earning for employee and fixed, and this is direct expenses, not this is indirect expenses. Yes, display name in payslip basic pay. Okay, and graduate it will be yes, and that is on attendance. There is no created an attendance, so then create an attendance, press Alt C, and then attendance name is present and absent, and like that over time. So that time I created present, and this is for month and user defined. This is 26 because there is 4 in Sunday and normally with 1, and then the basic is 5,000, and then once again Alt C and convert. It will be same indirect expenses, and this is flat rate month normal rounding 1. Okay, and then this is 6,000. Alt C, this is HRA means house rent allowance. This is same earning for employee. This is indirect expenses. Yes. This is computed value because HRA based on basic salary. So then computed value and then normal rounding 1, and this is specified formula, and this is basic pay, and then end of the list, and the HRA is percentage 40% because আমি আগের দিন বলেছিলাম যে মেট্রোপলিটন এরিয়াতে 50%, other than 40%, so there is 40%. Okay, and then the option is EPF, Alt C for EPF. This is statutory deduction and it is current liabilities and normal rounding 1, and EPF based on क्या होगा EPF का लिए EPF based on basic. So then specified formula and then basic pay and top the list and 50,000 amount up to 50,000, this is 12%, and after then greater than, this is value 1800. And then also ESI. ESI is statutory deduction and current liability. This is same. Current total earning, no. This is specified formula. Basic pay, conveyance, and also HRS gross. And then ESI percentage 0.75%, it will be ESI. And then also E-tax will be employee statutory deduction, current liability, and this is normal monthly. And specified formula, specified formula, and basic pay, conveyance, and HR. And then after 10,000 it will be 0, and 10,000 to 15,000 it will be 110, and 15,000 to 25,000 it will be 130, and 15,000 to 25,000 to 40,000 it will be 150, and greater than 40,000 it will be 200. And then also GRA, gratuity. Sorry. It will be under gratuity, and then 26, and 1 to 60 months it will be 0, and 62, 120 it will be 15, and after that it will be 20. And this is provision, normal counting. Then press Ctrl A for save, and the employee number is 1234, and designation is accounts, and function is accountant, and location is Kolkata. Gender is male, date of birth লিখে দেবে, ব্লাড গ্রুপ এখান থেকে চুজ করে নেবে, ফাদার্স নেম লিখে দিও, স্পোর্টস নেম লাইক ওয়াইফ নেম, অ্যাড্রেস দেবদাসের অ্যাড্রেস, Kantuki, and phone number Devdasher, and account details it will be yes, and then type account number and IFSC code SBI 0012345, and the bank name is select specified bank name and type SBI, and the branch name is KSHMIKL and e-fund transfer, and it will be SBI bank, and type PAN card and Aadhaar number and UN number and PF number and PRN number, and this is ESI number. Save. Then back, and then the option is attendance হয়ে গেছে, and then the back, the main window, gateway of tally, and then the option is payroll information, and then press Ctrl F5 for attendance or click attendance option. Ctrl F5, Devdas Fulkait present 26 days in a month, and then end of the list, তো হলো তো অ্যাকাউন্টিং পেরোল ভাউচার, Ctrl F4 for payroll voucher, and also Ctrl F5 for attendance. So once again Devdas Fulkait, days 26, end of the list. So then once again go to the option payroll voucher, and then Ctrl F4, and then press Alt A for payroll autofill, and then select salary 31st 4th, sorry अप्रैल का एंट्री हो रहा है, इसलिए 1/3/2000, and then 2012, 2022, all item, employee name, cash, and this is the complete salary sheet. And then press yes, and then back the option, and then go to the option display, and there is payroll report, and then statement of payroll, pay slip and single pay slip, and select the name of Devdas. দেখো এখানে পুরো পেরোল সিস্টেম এসে গেছে, পেরোল রিপোর্ট এসে গেছে, এমপ্লয়ি নাম্বারও আছে, ফাংশনও আছে, ডেজিগনেশন আছে, এভরিথিং ইজ শোয়েবল। অ্যান্ড দেন ইপিএম ডিডাকশন ইজ 1200 টাকা, অ্যান্ড ইএসআই ইজ 150, and PTAX is 130. Everything is displayed there. And then back, and there is a gratuity. There is gratuity 240, and then the display is attendance sheet. There is attendance sheet 52 days because দুবার আমরা এন্ট্রি করেছিলাম। And okay, thank you, and then stop our recording.